Guys, this video is extremely short. I don't even have the microphone plugged in because I cannot find the adapter. This is the microphone and this is the thing, but I cannot find the adapter, so I don't even have a microphone. You know, one of the most annoying things about doing YouTube is when by mistake you just delete your video. And it's a video that you've been working a lot on and you just delete it completely to the point that you cannot recover it because you were unintelligent enough to also empty the bin. So I just wanted to be raw with you and natural and tell you that I have deleted hours worth of work. But anyways, that's how it is. I just wanted to show this this part as well. This video, as I said, it's not long. I know I actually don't know anything. I just wanted to share this with you guys. You know, I'm a little frustrated right now. I've deleted hours worth of work, but it is what it is. We have to just go through it, and that's it. So see you in the next video. Hope I don't delete the next one also.